Testing the Creality Sonic Pad with the Ender 5S1. I have 4 printers with clippers, so I thought why not test them all at the same time with the Sonic Pad. Overall, the Sonic Pad does its job, but the user interface needs improvement. Luckily, you have the web interface that allows you to do everything without limitations.